Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one out of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.76. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 2.33% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -11.82% to +12.57%. In the longer term, our analysis spanning 12 months indicates a projected change of 16.18%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -7.82% and +97.38% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range between $285.06 and $610.40. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock downgraded from hold, accumulate to sell candidate after Monday trading session. The Tesla stock price gained 2.19% on the last trading day, rising from $302.63 to $309.26. During that session, the stock fluctuated 3.01%, with a low of $303 and a high of $312.12. Over this period, the prices experienced volatility, resulting in a loss of 5.85% over the last 2 weeks. The volume fell by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 78 million shares traded for approximately $24.24 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence, serving as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, while the lowest price reached $182. Currently, the price is 36.70%, or $179.28, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Elon Musk, the chief executive officer of Tesla, has received a significant interim stock package valued at approximately $29 billion, comprising 96 million shares. This strategic move aims to ensure Musk's leadership during a crucial transition for Tesla, as the company shifts its focus from traditional electric vehicle production to groundbreaking initiatives such as robotaxis and humanoid robots. This substantial compensation highlights the importance Tesla places on retaining Musk at the forefront amidst rising competition in the industry. In related news, BMW has announced plans to introduce 40 new or updated models directly poised to challenge Tesla's market share. This initiative from a traditional automaker signals a fresh wave of competition, which could influence Tesla's growth trajectory and market dominance. Furthermore, notable Tesla analyst Adam Jonas is moving to a new position at Morgan Stanley with a focus on artificial intelligence. His departure may impact investor sentiment and insights regarding Tesla's strategic direction in technology. In the short term, Tesla's stock might experience volatility as investors respond to Musk's new compensation deal and the competitive pressures from other automotive giants. The longer-term implications could depend on the effectiveness of Tesla's transition to new technologies and how it adapts to heightened competition in the electric vehicle market. Investors will be closely observing how these developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned TSLA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned TSLA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 27th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned TSLA a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned TSLA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA a positive rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even while prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be observed closely. Some negative signals were also issued, which could influence short-term developments. Currently, Tesla stock carries sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $314.58 and $318.29. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 23, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 11.31%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 121 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examined the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $305.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.11 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.01%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 3.69%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 470 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $316.06. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $305.30. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On July 11th, 2025, James R. Murdoch conducted an insider buy of 90,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, James R. Murdoch also conducted an insider sell of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock options which provide the right to buy. On July 7th, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted an insider sell of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. On July 8th, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted another insider sell, this time of 2,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. Additionally, on July 7th, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted an insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 41.492. In total, insiders purchased 1,101,482 shares and sold 2,802,883 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several negative indicators and is currently within a very broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we expect Tesla to open lower by $1.13, starting at $308.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.